Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your brand's voice with Grammarly easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your brand's voice with Grammarly, start by creating an account on the Grammarly website. Once you've signed up, log in to your Grammarly dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features available on the platform. Begin by choosing the type of content you need to write. Select your audience type, which helps Grammarly tailor suggestions to match your brand voice. Next, input your brand's tone by specifying whether it should be formal, informal, or neutral. Use the Goals feature to define your writing goals. Adjust the audience setting to reflect who you're communicating with, such as general, knowledgeable, or expert. Set the level of formality appropriate for your brand's voice. Now, start writing your content directly in Grammarly's editor. Pay close attention to the suggestions Grammarly provides in real time. Make sure to review the tone adjustments and word choices Grammarly recommends. Use these suggestions to enhance clarity and ensure consistency with your brand voice. Take advantage of Grammarly's plagiarism checker to ensure your content is original. After editing, export your document in the desired format. Finally, continuously update your goals and preferences in Grammarly as your brand voice evolves. This will allow you to maintain consistency across all of your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.